All right, in this video, let's look at physical versus cash settled options. So let's look at physical options first. So let's say you own an option and on the day of expiration, it is in the money, right? Which means that the strike price that you bought is less than the current price of the stock. Then the day after expiration, you will have whatever number of contracts that you have times 100 shares in your account. This is a physically settled option, and it is so called because you are physically assigned stock. If you own the option, and if you actually sold the option, then physically you will be short that many number of shares. So now all stocks that are traded on the US stock exchanges have physically settled options, which is why using options as a way to lock in a low price for a stock is a very, very important consideration. Now let's look at cash settled options. Now all the indices that we talked about earlier, like SPX, the Russell, the NDX, they are all cash settled options. The reason for this is very simple. See, you cannot actually go out there and buy 10 shares of SPX, the index, or the Russell, or NDX, the NASDAQ index. Since you cannot buy the shares themselves, because the shares actually do not even exist, only options exist on those particular indices. So now in this particular case, if you bought a call option and the call options are in the money, that means that the option that you bought for X dollars is now X plus something, meaning its current value is higher than what you bought it at, then the difference between the purchase price and the current price will be added as cash to your account. In other words, you just made a profit. On the other hand, if the option is out of the money, which means its value is less than what you paid for it in the first place, then that difference will be deducted from your account and everything is in cash. Hence the term cash settled options.